Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make avocado lamel. First, let's gather our essential ingredients for this delightful dessert. You will need 2 to 3 ripe avocados, 1 cup of rich coconut milk, and about half a cup of sweet condensed milk. Also, have 1 cup of ice cubes ready, a small pinch of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure everything is nicely chilled. This is key for a truly refreshing treat. Now, let's move on to the preparation. Carefully have your ripe avocados and remove the pits. Scoop out all that beautiful, creamy green flesh into your blender. Next, pour in 1 cup of the chilled coconut milk and half a cup of the sweet condensed milk. Don't forget to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a dash of vanilla extract for an extra layer of flavor. This combination creates a perfect base. Achieving the right consistency is crucial for a perfect avocado lamel. Blend all your ingredients together until the mixture is incredibly smooth, with absolutely no lumps remaining. Then, gradually add about 1 cup of ice cubes while blending to create that wonderfully thick and frosty texture we all love. Take a moment to taste it. You can always add a little more condensed milk for sweetness or coconut milk for extra creaminess. Finally, it's time to enjoy your homemade avocado lamel. Pour the perfectly chilled mixture into individual serving glasses right away. For a beautiful touch, you can garnish each glass with a sprinkle of toasted coconut flakes or a fresh mint leaf. This refreshing dessert is best served within about 30 minutes of preparation to ensure its optimal frosty texture and vibrant flavor. Enjoy every delicious spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.